Well, we've been in quarantine, you know, and we got out of quarantine. And did it feel any different when the quarantine ended, Mel?
No, it's no different. It is.
I mean, you would think, man, you know, as soon as they're out of that 14-day quarantine, they're just gonna bust out of there and go set the world on fire. But we didn't. We didn't do nothing. We ain't even been to the city since quarantine ended or anything, have we?
No.
Well, just that first day we had some business to go take care of.
Yes, yeah, because we have important things need.
Yeah, we haven't. We've been just right back here at the property, like nothing different other than now the workers are here working. And when you live at such a beautiful place, you're so happy just to be there at it. I mean, it's a wonderful place alone. Well, then, you know, that's enough. But we've been working all week on this house, and I'm ready for a break. Well, anyway, we're gonna get out here and hit the road. I just want to get out and drive some and explore, and I always carry my snorkel gear in the back. And I told Mel, you know, there's a good chance I might just get out and plop in the water somewhere and see a little sea life, because that's something I really enjoy. And talking about seeing sea life, look, there is this guy Justin, and he has this channel called Critter Hunter. And Justin goes and dives and does close-up video and photography of all kinds of sea creatures. And he's a very unique character. He's a pretty cool guy, and I really suggest that y'all go check out Justin and check out his videos of his dives and support him. So I'm gonna go support a little sea life myself right now, because I want to go see some too. I hope I see a spot on the side of the road that I just feel like jumping out and jumping in the water. We'll see. See you in a bit. All right, so Mel and I, we've been road tripping. I'm tired, ready to take a break. Check out this little red van right here, looking all cool and pimped out. uh, then there's my ride, of course. So it's beautiful here. We're right here by the ocean. There's some big old boats out there, and we've been driving by seeing some huge fish on the sides of the road. Some big yellowfin tuna, man. So we are here at Cholas, right?
Yeah,
Cholas. Yeah, right by San Joaquin. We're right at the Antique border on Panay Island between Iloilo and Antique. This is where the split is, like going to Anini Y. All right, I'm gonna get in here and eat, because my wife, she's chomping at the bit. I was just talking about these fish. We look down, here's some more right here. See, boy, they got some nice big catch right there. You want a little reference of how big? Here's my hand. Look at that. That is nice. How much is this selling a kilo?
320, sir.
320?
Yeah.
Sweet. Well, they got a lot of stuff here in the little store. Oh, there's something I want to get before we leave too. We'll come back down here before we go back to the truck. Yeah, I hadn't had any of this peanut brittle in a long while.
This one with bukayo, you know, it's a coconut with a grated
Yeah, that
lots
coconut.
of sugar.
Mm.
Yeah.
Well, they got some good fattening snacks here.
Lots of sweet.
Lots of treats. Well, I tell you.
Yes.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Well, after we get our bellies full, then we'll come down here and buy some treats, take it back to the house. Yeah, man, look at this. Well,
it's my favorite.
oh, it's mine too. That's why I just saw that. I said, oh man, look at that.
Maybe
They got
this one.
ubi.
I like this one Catalogan also. Maybe we come back later with this one.
Mm-hmm. Always like coming to this part of Panay Island here. We're right on the border of Iloilo and Antique. Man, the views along here, the cliffs down to the water, the rocky boulder shores, the waves, it's beautiful. And they catch some really large fish here as well. Very nice fishing here. People here are always so nice and friendly. It's clean, just laid back, relaxing. You couldn't ask for life to get any better than what it does right here. This is a good place. If you've never visited Antique on Panay Island, well, Panay Island is the same island that Boracay is right off of. And it is a wonderful place, a very wonderful place. Great diving spots, great swimming spots. There is so much to explore in the Antique Province, in the mountains and at the shore both. Check it out. There's hot springs, there's coral islands, there's everything. It is a wonderful place. What a nice store. I mean, how much better could you ask for? This little store right here in Eatery, right off with a view like this. There it is on my party disco plate. There it is. Boy, that's what we're gonna chow down on right now. Of course, I got jackfruit right here that I like a lot. A little tiny small squid. And this is deniguang, which is made from pork blood. I really like that one a lot. I'm gonna get busy and eat, because if I don't hurry and eat, Mel will have it all gone, because she looks so hungry today.
Yeah, you eat also.
Super hungry today. So what's your favorite out of everything you ordered right here?
I like it.
You like that small squid the best? Well, I don't know yet. I hadn't tried, so. Oh, and missed out right there too. She ordered some fish as well right there. I have to tell you, man, the small squid with the ink in it, oh man. This is actually the tastiest one I've had in a while. Not that large squid, this little small one. They cook this just right. It is delicious. And the deniguang is nice and thick instead of real watery and soupy like you get at a lot of places. Man, full of flavor. It is also a favorite of mine here at this meal. Honestly, all of it's good. This little place right here has served us so well. Stop here, you're gonna get incredible views. Look at this view again. Incredible view sitting up here. And enjoy a nice meal. Out here we was eating, look here, man, what they're sticking in the freezer. Man, see what I was talking about? They get some nice fish out of the waters here. Super nice. That is super, super nice right there.
Dorado. Dorado.
Nice. Yeah. Boy, got just a stack of them back here in the corner. Cool, man, cool. Well, we're about to get back on the road again. One more view out here, look at this. Well, there you have it right there. C4 restaurant and Sea Breeze lunch. It's good right here, nice. Looks like it's pretty popular also as well. You have it. If you're ever on Panay Island heading out of Iloilo Province in the Antique Province, you're going to get here where the road's going to split and go towards Aniniwai. Look for this right here, Sea Breeze lunch right here. Incredible view, nice store, and super nice people inside the food. was good. It was spot on. Very fresh, very good, and very affordable. So hope y'all enjoyed that. I got to get a couple things and get out of here. Oh yeah, that's the same.
Yeah.
That's Dorado. Yeah. So the same as they brought into the store, more of the Dorado.
No, it is the one that's similar. What she said, it's at Tangigi, that one there.
This one, but I'm
Yeah.
talking about this, man.
Yeah.
So now we're back down here for the snacks, the after party. Which ones we gonna get now?
No, the one there, I get the ubi.
What else do you think here?